So guys, the gloves are out and I am going to be bringing you a new series known as the Rare and Fabulous bags, which are by Hermès. Now, this bag is rarer than Himalayan Birkin. Can you guess what it is? Now, Hermès, when they do exotic skins, only launch colours in certain years. Now, the last time I saw this particular colour was in 2017. So when you get a coloured matte Alligator Birkin, it is very, very rare. Now, you do probably see more Himalayan Birkins than you are going to find in the colour Mimosa. Now, this is a matte Alligator, which is a super rare colour to come by. Now, let me show you how beautiful this is. This matte Alligator is approximately worth around $90,000, so around $75,000 to £80,000 or more. Now, why is this bag so special? Because the dyeing process to get this particular colour is super hard. Now, this features gold hardware. Typically, mimosas we have seen in the market come in the size 35, and you do not see a 25 often. So when you see matte gators in those 25 sizes and those bright colours, they are truly, truly rare and great investment pieces. Now, this is absolutely stunning. So matte gator is known not to have a glossy finish like you do see on your glossy Perosis, Crocodile Birkins and Kellys. Now, this is absolutely stunning. It's like a marigold tone. It is a pop of yellow, and to see it with that incredible hardware is, again, super rare. Now, something like this in 2017 would have sold in the resale market for £45,000, and in 5 to 6 years, it has doubled in price, making it the ultimate investment piece.